Hey everyone, it's Imani Monet, and today's video is me bleaching and dyeing my natural hair. So I have my gloves, my bleach, my 30 and 20 developer, my Adore Cajun Spice color, and the brush and the shampoo cape in this ghetto bowl to mix it in. And right now I'm putting in 1 cup of bleach, and then I'm going to put 2 cups of developer. I'm using 30 right now. In other YouTube videos I've seen, some people was putting 1 cup of bleach and 1 cup of developer and mixing it and then adding the other cup of developer. But me, I just put in 1 cup of bleach and 2 cups of developer and then I mixed. And then I kept on adding bleach and developer that way. So either way is fine to me, but do it how you want to do it. This is how mine look. As y'all can see, I was barely putting on the bleach, but listen y'all, I was nervous because I never bleached my hair before, and plus I didn't want to make a mess. So I was just like, bruh, how do I do this? Eventually, I stopped being scared and started really putting that bleach on my hair. But anyways, the next clip is going to be music added on. So just watch me bleach my hair. Right here I'm checking my roots, right? and it's getting really bright. So I'm like, oh snap, let me hurry up. I used the same mix with the 30 developer on my roots. I did not use the 20. That was my mistake. I was being lazy, and I did this like in the middle of the night. So yeah, don't be like me. Please use 20 developer on your roots, because it will look like this if you don't.
2 days later.
In this clip, I'm just brushing out my hair to give like a blown out look and to have my hair stretched so I won't miss any strand when I'm dyeing my hair.
My hair is already like an orange color because guess what, y'all? I tried to dye my hair without the bleach and it didn't work. Duh, right? I can't believe I tried to do that. What I did was mix the hair color with the developer, and I've seen people on YouTube with dark hair doing it and it worked for them, but it didn't work for me.
A few moments later.
I ran out of dye. I finished 75% of my hair. I'm gonna just have to wash this out and then reapply dye to the front tomorrow. I'm so mad, man.
She like the way The next day.
I'm finally done with the hair dyeing process, and this is how it looks. Although my roots are brighter than the rest of my hair, I still like my hair so much. The color is so cute. This was the next day. It was in a twist out, and it looked so cute to me. This is 2 weeks after I dyed my hair, and this is how my roots look.